Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering your video and the audio track you want to add. Make sure the audio is in a compatible format like AAC, MP3, or WAV. Open Quicktime Player and choose File, New Movie Recording to create an editable timeline. This gives you a media window. Once the movie window opens, click the drop-down beside the record button and select the correct microphone and camera. This avoids mismatched input devices later. Now import the video via File, right arrow Open File. With your video loaded, add audio by dragging the file into the Open QuickTime window or use Edit. Add clip to end. This embeds the audio as a secondary clip. Once added, use View, show clips to reveal a simple timeline and split or trim clips where needed. Splitting helps remove silence or sync points. Make sure to zoom in so you can align the waveform to the video action precisely. Small shifts matter, so nudge the audio a few frames until lip sync or beat alignment is exact. Finalize by choosing File, Export As, and pick a resolution like 1080p or the one matching your source. This bakes the audio into the final video. Make sure to select a suitable quality so the audio remains in sync. Exporting at the same sample rate helps. If audio drifts, re-encode the track to 44, 1 or 48 kHz and re-import. That usually fixes timing mismatches. And if the volume is too low, normalize the file in an external editor or use Audio MIDI setup. Then re-add and export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.